So you've done a full complement of physical therapy for the knee already in an effort to make it better prior to considering the replacement surgery.
I'm in the middle of that now. I'm still working on that.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about specific exercises and what you're doing in your plan.
Okay. So straight leg lifts with my lying on my side with my leg just a little bit behind the straight lines.
Okay. Now I'm going to modify this for you a little bit because I think the idea is they want to get you in the glutes on this.
Yes.
So we're going to roll you forward just a little bit. And you're going to do the same thing. And at the very top, you're going to kind of just arc back a little bit. There you go. Again, more to the glute.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to take you and teach you an exercise of mine that will be a great complement to this. It's the side double leg raise. So you're going to make yourself a straight line from the top of your head all the way down through your heels. Let's bring the feet forward a bit more. There you go. That's a pretty good line. And then we're going to get on. There's a spot on your hip where things are going to be wobbly. We're going to feel very out of control. Okay? That's where I want you to stick it. Okay? I want you to hold it right there. And now, now we're going to chin the throat. We're going to put your pelvic tilt in place. Oh, you just rolled back off the wobbly spot. Put your pelvic tilt in place, and boop, you rolled off the wobbly spot.
It's very hard to.
As you tilt, it'll get more wobbly, and you have to assert more control. More tilt, please, just a little. There you go, good. From there, raise both legs slowly. 2, 3. You'll feel that's more up in here,
yes,
more up in the obliques, okay? But it's also getting your hips a little bit.
Yeah.
More laterally. So now you have one exercise that kind of works from here down through here, and we've adapted your other exercise to target a little bit more in the back.
Yes.
Questions, concerns?
So again, aiming for precision of movement, not magnitude of movement.
Correct.